Reaction TV Urdu.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start, I must say thanks Reaction TV for providing a great deal of support in favor of investors. Your part as a media in solving Heera Gold issue is remarkable, no doubt about it. Keep doing the same work with confidence and redouble vigor until we get justice. Coming to the point, Heera Sheikh has done a great job as a businesswoman by helping the society and Muslim community in so many ways. She has done a lot of charity to the poor and to the underprivileged. She is a brand new nutritional supplement for the underprivileged as well as the hunger Muslim community. She deserves a great deal of adulation, no doubt about it. She is such a valorous woman. Heera Sheikh constantly giving us assurance that she will repay our investment along with profits after she gets released and she gets bail. She is a bona fide lady. We all cognizant about that fact. As investors, as a human being, we should believe in her promise. So she is claiming that she is going to pay our money. Why the hell we are not believing in her? So what is the question, what is the reason behind all this? We all know there is a plot and conspiracy behind this issue. I don't want to talk about that because this is not the time. So we are working on the solution. We should work on the solutions, not creating the problems among the investors. If she is not able to abide by her promise after she release, then there are so many options available right in front of us. We can go through the court procedures. We can take legal actions then. Hating and complaining each other is not a solution. Being contemptuous towards each other will never gonna solve the problem. Don't make this issue a conundrum, as it is not a pipe dream. I don't condemn Owaisi as a person, but I condemn his actions towards the investors. I know you are a bona fide leader. I respect you as a person, but I have been a pejorative with your actions that you take against Muslim community. You are a good leader, an established leader, a great representative of raising the issue, Muslim issues, in Parliament as well as in Assembly. I request you to come up with a solution that benefits both investors and the Heera in solving the problem. I am requesting you with utmost respect, be part of a solution, not a part of a problem, because it involves 3 lakhs customers. It's not only one man problem, it's a 3 lakhs investors problem. Please come up with a solution that benefits both investors as well as the Heera family. You can do it. Please accept our request. Do something about it. Please, I am urging with utmost respect. Thanks a lot.